Hello everyone. Welcome and thank you for joining me today. Let's dive into the story behind a jacket that isn't just warm, it's legendary and coveted around the world. Canada Goose jackets are made with some of the rarest and most premium materials available. The insulation uses Hutterite down, one of the finest Canadian down types, known for being exceptionally light yet incredibly warm. Harvesting these feathers is a meticulous, labor-intensive process, and only a small portion meets the strict quality standards. This ensures that each jacket provides maximum warmth without unnecessary bulk, making the material itself very costly. Until recently, the jackets included coyote fur on the hoods not just for style, but for protection. The fur shields the face from biting winds and extreme frost, functioning as a natural barrier in freezing conditions. Fur is limited, carefully sourced and expensive, which adds to the overall cost. Even as the company transitions away from fur for ethical reasons, maintaining high-performance design features continues to demand premium materials and thoughtful construction. Every jacket is handcrafted with incredible attention to detail. For example, the Snow Mantra Parka requires 247 pattern pieces, takes more than 8 hours to assemble, and involves dozens of skilled workers. Each seam, zipper, and stitch is precise, ensuring durability and functionality. Unlike mass-produced jackets, these are built to last decades, making the labor and craftsmanship a key contributor to the price. Before hitting stores, jackets go through extensive testing and engineering. Fabrics are evaluated for strength, abrasion resistance, and color fastness. Down insulation is carefully measured for warmth-to-weight ratio. Hoods, seams, and zippers are all engineered to function in Arctic-level conditions. This research, combined with rigorous quality control, ensures that the jacket performs exactly as promised, which also increases production costs. Most jackets are still manufactured in Canada, where skilled labor is more expensive than in many other countries. By keeping production local, the company maintains quality, authenticity, and precise control over every step. This commitment to domestic manufacturing reinforces the brand's reputation for premium craftsmanship, even if it adds significantly to the price tag. The brand carefully built its reputation over decades. Jackets were initially gifted to hockey players, bouncers, and other visible figures, creating an aura of authenticity. Appearances in films, TV shows, and celebrity sightings further elevated them into status symbols, making the jackets desirable not just for function, but also for prestige. The recognizable logo communicates exclusivity and signals a luxury product. Production is intentionally limited. Each jacket takes hours of skilled labor, meaning they aren't mass-produced. This scarcity ensures that Canada Goose jackets remain exclusive, appealing to both people seeking performance and those drawn to status and rarity. Ethical sourcing and sustainability are also priorities. Moving away from fur and ensuring responsible down harvesting requires careful oversight and investment. These initiatives preserve the brand's integrity while appealing to consumers who value both responsibility and quality, which naturally affects pricing. The combination of rare materials, decades of insulation expertise, handcrafted precision, rigorous testing, Canadian manufacturing, celebrity branding, scarcity, and ethical sourcing makes each jacket a remarkable investment. Wearing one isn't just about staying warm, it's about owning a product that represents heritage, performance, and exclusivity. Every stitch, every feather, and every detail reflects decades of knowledge and care. From the first cut of fabric to the final inspection, the jacket is a testament to skill, tradition, and meticulous design. That is why Canada Goose jackets command prices that far exceed typical winter coats, and why they are considered both functional gear and a symbol of luxury. Thank you for joining me today. Now you understand why every detail in a Canada Goose jacket, from materials to craftsmanship to branding, is carefully considered, making it a jacket worth every penny.